Hey guys, from the sharpening desk or bench. I got an interesting topic to talk to you about today. One of the little pains in the ass about sharpening knives is that the stones will tend to load up. And so every stone in my arsenal has an arc. When I first get the stone, I have to lap it usually to flatten it out. And I have to break it in. I usually sharpen some crappy knives that I don't like much till the diamonds calm down. Now that was for traditional kind of plate steel stones. The newer stones, these are matrix resin bonded stones. And it's recommended you lap them. However, there's not really a big break-in period. The challenge with them though is that they have a tendency to load up. Hence, the Mr. Clean magic erasers. With these stones, what I would do is dress them, which is to lap them again and get all the bits of metal out of the resin. And then I'd be happy. They'd be down to cutting really quick. But then 2 or 3 knives in, crap again. This, my friends, is a game changer. They're $1 or less at the wholesale club. You can buy them in the large box that I showed in the first frame. The way I use them is I cut them in half. And I can clean the stones twice with 1/2 of an eraser. So it costs me about $1/4 when I'm done to clean my stones. And this is jam up as pretty as they were right after being dressed. And I'm just super excited to share that with you. If you own the Matrix stones, this is a game changer. Hey guys, coming to you from the kitchen. Just wanted to show you how I clean up my sharpening stones when I'm done. I started using magic erasers, which I cut in half. Wet them a little bit, put them on here. About halfway home. You can kind of see the difference between the side I touched up and the side I haven't worked on. That's the after. And this is one that's been cleaned and dried. You can see it's just about perfect. I've been using the stones now for a couple of years. They wear extremely slowly, if at all. I have been keeping a spreadsheet that has shown the wear over time, and it's absolutely minimal. These stones will last you a lifetime, and they're definitely worth the price.